Welcome back, cycling enthusiasts. If you're on the hunt for the perfect beginner cruiser bike, you've come to the right place. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming trying to find the right fit for comfort, style, and usability. Whether you're cruising along the beach or just getting around town, you want a bike that delivers a smooth ride without breaking the bank. Today, we'll cover the top 7 beginner cruiser bikes that not only look fantastic, but also offer quality performance. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Weize Beach Cruiser Bike. Our first pick is the Weize Beach Cruiser Bike. Known for its stylish design, this bike combines comfort and retro aesthetics. The frame is constructed from high-quality steel, ensuring durability without sacrificing weight. It features a wave-frame design, making it easy to mount and dismount, ideal for those new to cycling. The 26-inch wheels provide stability, while the wide tires enhance traction on sandy or uneven surfaces. Equipped with a single-speed gear system, the Weize offers straightforward usability for leisurely rides. This means you can focus on enjoying the journey instead of worrying about complicated gears. The swept-back handlebars provide an upright riding position, reducing strain on the back and arms. Coupled with a cushioned saddle, your rides will be more enjoyable. With an array of vibrant colors, it caters to various personal styles. The bike also includes fenders to avoid splashes if you're riding along the shore. For those looking for an affordable yet stylish cruiser, the Weize Beach Cruiser is a fantastic choice.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. EisyRood Beach Cruiser Bike. Next up is the EisyRood Beach Cruiser Bike, a perfect blend of elegance and comfort. This bike stands out with its dual spring padded seat and wide handlebars, allowing for an upright riding posture that gives you great visibility and comfort. Shifting gears is simple, thanks to the easy-to-use, single-speed mechanism, making it an ideal choice for beginners. The Iserude's heavy-duty steel frame not only ensures robustness, but also enhances stability and reliability on varied terrains. Meanwhile, its 26-inch wheels combined with wide tires provide excellent balance, making this bike both practical and enjoyable for rides along the beach or urban streets. The classic color palette adds flair, making it appealing to a broader audience. What's more, the bike comes equipped with front and rear fenders, which help keep you clean during rides. The coaster brake design is user-friendly, ensuring that stopping is smooth and safe. If you're looking for a bike that emphasizes both style and usability, the EisyRood Beach Cruiser is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Viribus Beach Cruiser Bike. Coming in at number 3, we have the Viribus Beach Cruiser Bike, designed with an eye for both comfort and performance. Featuring a refined steel frame, this bike is incredibly durable while remaining lightweight. The classic cruiser design allows for easy mounting and dismounting, making it user-friendly for riders of all ages. The bike is equipped with a 7-speed transmission system that allows users to tackle varied terrains effortlessly. This feature makes it less intimidating for beginners who may want to explore more than just flat surfaces. The 26-inch wheels adorned with wide tires offer excellent grip, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Additionally, the Verbus Beach Cruiser includes a comfortable seat with dual springs for extra cushioning. Its adjustable seat height caters to different rider sizes, enhancing the overall comfort. The coaster brakes ensure that you can stop quickly when needed, while the stylish colors and designs ensure you'll stand out on the road. With the Verbus Beach Cruiser, beginner cyclists will find a reliable companion for exploration and leisure. Number 4. 630 Beach Cruiser Bike. At number 4, we have the 630 Beach Cruiser Bike, renowned for its ease and style. This bike comes designed with a sleek, step-through frame that simplifies the mounting process, making it perfect for beginners and casual riders. The high-quality steel construction guarantees durability and is paired with a smooth, glossy finish, ensuring it looks great while riding along the beach. One of the standout features is its 7-speed gear system. This allows for a customized riding experience, making it easy to choose the right level of effort for different surfaces, whether it's flat pavements or slight inclines. The large cushioned seat and ergonomic handlebars promote a relaxed riding posture while minimizing fatigue. The 26-inch wheels are designed with wide tires for better traction and stability, enhancing safety during rides. Additional features like the rear rack provide space for carrying items. With a multitude of colors available, this bike caters to personal aesthetics. The SixThreeZero Beach Cruiser Bike is more than just a bike. It's a style statement and a practical choice for anyone beginning their cycling journey. Number 5. Max 4 Out Beach Cruiser Bike. Our fifth selection is the Max 4 Out Beach Cruiser Bike, which is perfect for individuals looking for enhanced comfort, coupled with functionality. This cruiser is built with a sturdy steel frame that is both lightweight and robust, allowing riders of all sizes to feel secure during their rides. The bike's retro design provides a classic look, which many find appealing. With a single-speed operation, it simplifies riding for beginners. You won't have to worry about gear shifting, just pedal and go. The 26-inch wheels are paired with durable tires, designed for a smooth, stable ride over sand and pavement alike. Its wide seat with spring cushioning ensures you stay comfortable, even during longer rides. Another fantastic feature is the front and rear fenders, designed to prevent water splashes while riding. The bike also comes equipped with reflectors for added safety, particularly in low-light conditions. If you're in search of a bike that combines aesthetics with practicality, the Max 4 Out Beach Cruiser Bike is a fantastic option to consider for your cycling needs. Number 6. EisyRood Beach Cruiser Bike. Taking the 6th spot is the EisyRood Beach Cruiser Bike, which emphasizes performance alongside classic styling. The durable steel frame exhibits resilience while maintaining a lightweight profile, making it easy to handle for cyclists new to the activity. Its distinctive frame also allows for seamless access, promoting convenience when getting on and off the bike. What sets the EisyRood Cruiser apart is its 7-speed gear system, which provides flexibility for riders looking to explore local trails or navigate mild hills. The oversized 26-inch wheels paired with wide tires offer stability and grip on both sand and pavement, making this bike truly versatile. One of its standout features is the plush seat designed for extended comfort, complemented by a user-friendly coaster brake that provides safety when you need to stop. The bike's colorful and elegant design allows riders to express their personal style while enjoying a quality ride. For beginners wanting to explore various terrains, the EisyRood Beach Cruiser is a reliable option that meets both aesthetic and practical needs. Number 7. Huffy Simple Cruiser Bike. Last but not least, we have the Huffy Simple Cruiser Bike, which embodies straightforward functionality and affordability. Known for its reliability, the Huffy is designed with a sturdy steel frame that can withstand daily wear and tear. Its minimalist design approach emphasizes ease of use, making it particularly suitable for beginners. Equipped with a single-speed gear system, the Huffy is easy to ride and requires less maintenance than multi-gear bikes. The 26-inch wheels, along with wider tires, ensure a stable and smooth ride, whether on city streets or packed sand. The bike's ergonomically designed seat provides a plush and supportive experience during rides. With features such as fenders to shield against splashes and pedals that offer good grip, this bike prioritizes user experience. Available in a range of colors, the Huffy Simple Cruiser is not only functional but also visually appealing. For those who want a reliable cruiser that won't break the bank, the Huffy Simple Cruiser Bike is an excellent pick for new riders. And there you have it, our top 7 picks for beginner cruiser bikes. Each option brings its own unique features and styles, so you can find the perfect match tailored to your lifestyle. Whether it's the stunning aesthetics of the SixThreeZero or the practical simplicity of the Huffy, you'll be ready to hit the road in no time. Remember to consider your riding style and preferences as you make your choice. Happy cycling, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides to enhance your biking experience.